Alright, we're back in the garage today, and we're going to tackle some more things on the Crossfire here. We got the different tensioner hooked up, tightened up a couple more clamps and everything that seem to loosen up with this nice cold that we got going on here. And next spot is make sure this hood doesn't have any troubles when we're hauling down the road. So, we'll show you what is going on and how we're going to fix it. Alright, so of course we drilled all our holes in our hood. Make sure that we get our hood pins. But what we got going on is you can see some like deflection and stuff going on down here, and that is basically because we pushed this whole hood skin down, kind of crushed it. So we're gonna have to build up some extra strength for it. So let's just start off with seeing if we can gonna see if we can bump it up a little bit, but it is not looking like it wants to cooperate. Alright, so I guess I should probably start off by figuring out how long I need these guys. Maybe right about here is good. So now I got a measure here. Yes, we can just call it 1.5 inches. Alright, so basically saying we got a couple inserts that the whole idea is hog out these holes a little bit bigger, put the insert in so it can be welded to this thicker section of steel. So that is what we're going to plan on doing. And that's just going to have to get the die grinder out and start going to town on that thing. Alright, now it's just a matter of grinding my life away. A little something like that. So we'll go and get that zapped up in there. Make sure we get a good clean burn around it. And we should be fully reinforced. Time to hit the other side and see how that goes. Alright, so we got those pieces in there. Let's just grab the welder, put a couple tacks in there, and see how the hood actually shuts with those in place. Alright, so got the cylinder tacked into place, and we drop her down to test fit, and everything fits pretty nice. We're pretty solid. I'll probably have to come through and clearance the bottom of it a little bit so it sits down a little better, but as of right now, that's definitely a lot more secure than it was previously. So I'm going to do a little finish welding, a little grinding, and we'll see how this thing really turns out. Alright, so after a little bit of time welding and some readjustments of the pins, we've got that working out quite well. It may not be the prettiest thing to look at, but they're definitely not going to go anywhere. And then they come down and sit right on the bolt. So that way, I don't have to worry about any of that. It'll all fit pretty nice. And that's about it. So as a whole, I think we are almost done with the changes I wanted to make. So, hopefully everything will work out the way I have them planned. But anyways, that's probably done for this quick video. We got some more things to take care of. And then we'll be, I don't know, putting a done stamp on this thing. And then we can worry about trying to get this thing to a dyno so we can tune her up a little bit. So then we can crank up some boost and really let her rip. But anyways, until that point, we're just going to have to see you again later.